This video is to show the function on consolidating a few orders and then to split the bill. So let's begin. We have a couple of orders that just come in and order 157 has been verified on the Appety waiter, and therefore you see a blue tick there. You can see the meaning of all the different symbols by pressing on the top right button with the question mark. That's the help button, and you will be able to see the different colors and meaning of each symbol. I'm going to verify order 158 on Appety waiter, meaning the service staff has gone to check the order with the customer, and so you see the order 158 having been verified. Now, assuming I'm going to start consolidating, say, 3 orders, and then to prepare it for billing. So assume I press on the consolidation button, say for order 158, the button is all the way at the end of the right hand side, the small little orange button, and you can see now I've pressed on the consolidation button for 158 and I start consolidating, and say I want to consolidate with order 157, and then I will press on the order 157, the same small little button at the end, and you will see that it is now gray out. And just assuming I want to consolidate with order 162, which was made by John, I'm going to press on the consolidation button now. Right, order 162 John, and you will see that 162 jumps to the top, and so I have consolidated 3 orders. And to confirm that you want to consolidate these 3 orders, press on the consolidate button at the top right. Otherwise, you can cancel this consolidation by pressing the bin in the small little bin at the top orange bar. So I'm going to go ahead and press consolidate. Okay, so that's done, and this is ready for payment, and I'm going to press on the pay button at the top right. And so the total amount to be paid, 157, 158, and 162, that's 3 orders for the total amount of $61.23. So you can carry on with however you want it to be paid, but if you want to split the payment, press the button at the top right. Alright, and you are now in the split and pay function, and you're ready to split the payment among your customers. Now, assuming there are 3 people who are going to split this payment for $61.23, go ahead and press the orange button, split and pay. And assume the first customer pays $20. Go ahead and put $20 if that's what he wants to pay. And assume he pays in cash, but he gives you a $50 note, so go to menu input, and the tendered amount would be $50. Right, and you have to give him a change of $30. Go ahead and press pay. So that's done, and you can see at the bottom left hand, $20 has been paid with a cash change of $30 now. So there's a remaining amount due of $41.23. Go ahead and press split and pay again, and assume now it's paid through a credit card, and assume it's paid through MasterCard, and whatever you would like to key in here for the bank card number, and then you remember to key in the amount to be paid, and assume this customer pays 25. Right. Now, because this is a credit card, just go ahead and press pay. So the second customer has paid $25. Now, at the bottom left hand, you can see an outstanding amount of $16.23 to be paid. Go ahead and press split pay again, assuming the last customer pays for the $16.23. So go ahead and type $16.23, and then assuming he pays through cash with $20. So now you have to give a change of $3.77. For whatever reason, if the service staff key in the wrong number, and assuming the service staff key in 25 here, this will not be able to go through, because the only remaining amount is actually $16.23. So you can see here the message at the bottom. When you press pay, it says nominal split bill is more than the grand total, which is $16.23. Right? So change that back to $16.23. And assuming this customer pays $20 in cash, and therefore it's $3.77 that you have to give in change. Go ahead and press pay. And so now this is done, and you can go ahead and pay and print out the receipt on your printer, or send it by email. If you choose to send it by email, you can send it in any way you want. Okay. In any case, this is done. You can see the outstanding orders that are there. Go to the history, and you should be able to see the consolidated orders that is in history, and you should see 162, 158, and 157 with the suffix C158. So that 3 orders has been substituted by C158, and if you press on any one of them, you will be able to see the entire order consolidated, including how the bill was split, how the payment was split, and the change that was made. And just remember to go to history to see that. Right. So this is whatever is remaining of the orders that have not been closed. And this is the end of the tutorial. Thank you.